Welcome to Java Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about PS command in Linux. Yeah. So PS command is the abbreviation of process status. So if you want to see the status of the process which is running in the background in the Linux operating system, then this command basically we use. Guys, as you know, Linux is multitasking and multi-user system. So it allows multiple processes to operate simultaneously without interfering with each other, right? Process is one of the important fundamental concept of Linux operating system. A process is an executing instance of a program and carry out different tasks within the operating system. So in this video, we'll see how we can use a PS command, right? So let me open the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T, and here is the my terminal. And here let me show you the very first command. Simply you can write the PS. So PS has some format, like here you can see PS, and we can have some option, right? Option. Here you can give us some option, but just I'm typing PS and pressing enter. Then here you can see there is a two process ID has been listed. PID means process ID, right? So there are two processes. So first process is bash. So bash command is running, and second process, what command we have given over here, that is also a process, and for that also a PID is there, right? So here this is the type of basically terminal what we are using, and this is the time taken by this process. So time taken by this process is this is the accumulated time taken by this process is showing. So here you can see time is showing as 0, right? That's most probably in minute, then second, then hours, right? Here let me show you, let me tell you why it is showing basically 0. So bash is the basically parent process, and there is a lot of child processes which is running behind this process, and that might take some time, but bash is not taking time, and that's the reason it is showing as 0. Then we have a command name like bash and ps, right? Now this is the very simplest version of ps. Apart from that, you can specify some option, like I would like to, here this is showing only two basically process, right? One is the ps which is command we are running, and another is a bash command which is running. Now let's say I would like to list out all the process which is running for the current logged in user. Then you have to write ps, then minus ux you have to write, and this will list out all the process running in the background for the currently logged in user. So if I press enter, then here you can see user is nothing but this is username. That's username is Java Tutorials, so that has given the name up to here, and after that it is showing plus sign, right? So all the user is nothing but the Java Tutorials, here you can see, and this is the process ID has been listed, right? Same you can same list you can get using the top command as well, as we have seen in the previous video tutorial, right? So this way you can list out all the basically process running in the background for particular user, right? And here this is showing the process basically path where it is located, right? Now let me show you some more options. So let's say I would like to list out all the process running for all the users in this machine. So currently this process is listed for the only one user, that is called Java Tutorials, right? Let's say I would like to list out all the process running in the system, whether that is a root user or the user which is using I have logged in, right? So here I am going to write second format ps minus aux, right? Already we have seen ps minus ux, that was giving all the process for currently logged in user. Now a stands for all. If I press enter, then here you can see here this is giving me the list of all the process running in the background, and this also include the user root, and apart from that some more users, right? And this is the Java Tutorials, right? So if you want to list the basically process running for all the users, then you have a command ps minus aux, right? Apart from this, we have some option like ps and then after minus capital U, and you can specify the basically username. Let's say I would like to see all the process running for the user, it's called root. Then here you can see it has listed all the basically process running for the root user. Or here what we can do, we can check all the process running for the user is called JDBC Tutorials, right? So it is listing all the process running for the JavaTutorials Tutorials, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.